Assalamu alaikum. We have completed mean, calculation of mean in individual series, discrete series, and frequency distribution series. So is the case with median. We too have completed that portion also, individual series, discrete series, as well as frequency distribution series. Now today we will discuss another mode of measures of central tendency, that is mode. In statics it is always represented by Z. It is always represented by the letter Z. We will write mode is another important measure of central tendency of statistical series. It is the value which occurs most frequently in the series that is model value has the highest frequency. In the series. The word mode is derived from the French word la mode, which means a thing in use or fashion. It is represented by the letter Z. Now there are different definitions given by different statisticians, and one among them is Croxton and Cowden. They define this. Croxton and Cowden define mode in the following words. in the following manner. The mode may be regarded as the most typical value of a series. Now we will go to calculation part. After defining this, after trying to learn what is mode, we will go to its illustration part. We will go to its calculation part. First we will go in the individual series, discrete series, and frequency distribution series. We will see how mode is calculated in individual series. To calculate mode in individual series, we have generally two methods. One is inspection method, another is by converting. When we convert individual series in discrete series, I will write calculation of mode in individual series. When we go to the calculation part of the mode in individual series, we just have two ways. One is inspection method. Inspection method or by inspection. This is one. Number two. Second is when we convert individual series in discrete series. By converting individual series into discrete frequency series. Let me go to inspection by way of inspection. For example, we have an illustration, and the illustration is as under. Illustration part. If we are given an example, if we are given a problem, age of 15 students, of a class is reported below. Find the model age. age in years. Age in years of 15 students is 22, 24, 17, 18, 17, 19, 18, 21, 20, 21, 20, 23, 22, 22, 22. We have to find out the model age. To find out the model age, what we have to do? We have to arrange the series in ascending order. In an inspection, by way of an inspection, if we are given a problem in individual series to find out mode, what we have to do? We have to arrange the series in ascending order. We will now go to its solution part. First step is arrange the series in ascending order. पहला काम जो है, हमने इस सीरीज को अरेंज करना है इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, बढ़ती हुई तरतीब। हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम कॉलम बनाएंगे ऐसे 15, हमने अब इस सीरीज डाटा को अरेंज करना है इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में। तो पहला जो हमारा सबसे जो कम उम्र का बच्चा है वो 17 साल का है। वी विल राइट 17। इसके बाद दोबारा 17 आता है। इसके बाद इंस्पेक्शन करेंगे कि 18 कितनी बार आता है। 18 इट रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ ट्वाइस। 18 और 18 19 एक ही है आउट ऑफ दिस। वी विल राइट 19। इसके बाद 20 कितनी बार रिपीट हो रहा है? 1 2 बार रिपीट हो रहा है। वी विल राइट 20। इसके बाद 21 1 2 21 2 बार। इसके बाद 22 1 2 3 4 बार रिपीट हो रहा है 22। इसके बाद 23। इसके बाद 24 आता है। लिहाजा हमने देखा, हमने इसको अरेंज किया इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। अब हम इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं इस सीरीज में कि कौन सा आइटम ऑफ द सीरीज मोस्टली रिपीट हो रहा है। और हम देखते हैं 17 हैज़ बीन रिपीटेड ट्वाइस, 18 हैज़ बीन रिपीटेड ट्वाइस, 19 once, 20 twice, 21 twice, 22 has been repeated 4 times, 23 has one occurrence, 24 has one occurrence. So we see that 22 has been repeated once, twice, thrice, 4 times this has been repeated. So we see that 22 is the most value which occurs most frequently in the series. So we say that mode of the series Z, mode is equal to Z, is represented by Z. Therefore we will write Z is equal to 22 because it has been repeated 4 times. कोई और वैल्यू 4 टाइम्स रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई 2 बार हो रहा है, कोई 1 बार हो रहा है, कोई 3 बार हो रहा है। लिहाजा वी से दैट मोड ऑफ द सीरीज व्हेन वी गो थ्रू inspection method, by way of inspection we have arranged the series in ascending order and we have located the most frequently repeating value of the series, and we have seen that it is 22. This 22 has been repeated 4 times. So we say that model age of the class is 22. Therefore 22 is the answer of the question that has been given to us. Thanks for today. इंशाल्लाह दूसरा जो क्लास होगा हम डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का लेंगे। थैंक यू।